Normally when you burn frankincense, you have to put it in charcoal. So basically what happens is you would get the pieces and put it obviously on the charcoal, and that will basically burn for a short amount of time, and you'll need to kind of have to keep adjusting. And so what I've come with is a form of incense, which is frankincense pure resin in a actual charcoal frankincense stick. So this is handcrafted, and it's grown by seasons. So you get it by the seasons, and they burn for about 2 hours to 2 hours and a half each per stick. It's very, very powerful indeed. It is one of the best quality resins that we get from South America, and it is very, very strong indeed. So instead of having to constantly put in resin at the top, you won't need to do that. But no, frankincense is actually good for cleansing. It's good for purifying the atmosphere, the air, the people around you, the home. Specifically during a waning moon. During a waning moon is a good time to clear the home, to clear negative energy. Or when you're starting off a new project, you want to make sure that you're cleansing the space. Well, frankincense helps to bring in the good spirit, and they say myrrh helps to clear off all the negative energy first. So what I've combined, I've just basically put frankincense inside of it. I didn't want to put myrrh because I wanted to have just the good spirit to come through and the cleansing energy within it. So I didn't want to add myrrh. I just wanted to add frankincense. So churches use it, the mosques use it, different spiritual belief systems use it, the Hindus use it. It's a form of scent which helps to clear energy. So if you practice meditation, instead of having to top it up, you can just burn this incense stick and it will just do the trick. It's pretty long, 2 hours to 2 hours and a half. And it burns really strong. So it smokes up the place exactly how frankincense would. And it's genuine. So it's all handmade. There is no artificial stuff inside of it. And it's good for the body. It's in essence, it helps to cleanse. So what I would also recommend, obviously, if you practice any form of like qigong or maybe yoga. Yoga is more about breathing as well as the qigong. Maybe you can burn a little bit to start with, see how you feel. If you want to cleanse, if you're coming back from work, this is number one. Like you want to make sure that when you come in, you cleanse yourself. Important. When you do whatever you're doing, if you're in the city or if you had to go to the country or wherever you go, this is number one. You need to cleanse yourself from negative energy, because we accumulate negative energy just by basically hanging around the wrong people. And by doing so, you accumulate negative energy in the home. And so you bring that into your home. If you don't take off your clothes when you get in bed, you actually bring that into your bed. When you sit down on the tube and then you basically shake someone's hand and then you sit down in your home, you are actually taking in that energy. So what it does, it helps to balance that, and it helps to put that into place. I've got a parcel.